You can't go full power.
Ethan, you can go off the back wall.
You can do my thing looks like a Voltor.
You can. Yes!
Oh, come on!
Yo,
Ethan, you can do anything you put your mind to it.
What the fuck?
Me and JJ floated over the hole, bro.
What? Yeah, same. That's BS.
Wait,
I floated over the gap.
Wait.
What?
Did anyone?
Oh boy.
Did anyone hear Josh?
What? Yeah.
I didn't do anything.
Oh, I've had a bad time now.
What?
He just said,
I'm yelling, yeah, yeah. 10 of you, but 1 of me. Yeah, yeah. I'm a different kind of G. I'm a different kind of G. I'm a different.
Oh fuck!
Fake
Oh
fuck.
fuck!
Fake
Oh fuck! JJ, that was just a fuck. JJ, that was just a.
Are you fucking serious?
Ethan, do it!
You
Ethan, do it!
fucking wanker! Fucking toss off a kid! Oh, you piece of shit! You're fucking dead! I'm gonna fuck up your mum, bro! I'm gonna fuck up your mum!
Ethan,
Where the fuck do you think you are?
There's a fucking Martian.
no, it's my side. Yes! The fuck was that?
Must be.
Oh no! Oh boy!
What the? Why like that? Why you say it like this?
boy.
Oh boy.
Oh boy!
Oh boy.
Oh boy!
Oh god.
oh boy.
Yeah. You fell again.
What? Why are you making that noise about Vic?
I'm balling like a bodinky!
Faites on secours, peu. Alright, guys! Moment of silence, please.
Oh no.
Oh my! He just farted. No!
I just backed it up into my road.
What?
Oh my god.
What?
He just.
Oh, your
stuck his
mic.
road.
Okay, that makes
I actually thought he meant like in the street. I was like, he's trying to just commit a car crash or something.
Muhammad Jihad. Suck a lot.
So, give me a test of your groans.
What the?
I have a distinctive one that will hear that I'll get to answer first, you see.
Can we swap?
Minecraft banter.
Yeah, give it to me. I'm begging it like 2Sync.
Zamislin oskuwazinich.
Dildos everywhere need some milk.
What is that?
I don't know.
Need some milk.
Simon needs some milk. Changed it.
That's horrible.
Bukaki needs some milk.
What the fuck?
What is doing?
Jacob Saggy Tits needs some milk.
Stop inserting the
Oh,
mic.
you're like in my
Saggy
ear.
Tits has milk already.
You're literally like in my neck.
Alright, this is the slowest.
Oh my god, your mum. Your mum's turning.
Josh, that's a mad noise.
There's fetish for metal gates, bro. Like.
To be fair, Metal Gates. Oh, yeah.
No, he doesn't.
That noise.
From the back of it.
That noise. Wait. Keep doing it.
Honestly.
One vibration.
Quick spin in the earthquake.
Just put
Like on it. The others all doing videos as well. Check the channels out. They'll be just.
Simon, you just sound like you gave birth.
No! But my pussy is clean.
What?
The fuck?
My cook.
What?
I like it.
I like the kuss.
What?
Is that the kuss? And he likes couscous.
I like the kuss in my puss. What the fuck? On to the next race.
Thank God.
It's actually working with like a specialton.
When they're so special, you can't even call them specialton. You have to reclassify them.
Yeah, that's me to specialtons.
I know when you're Jar Jar Binks.
What the fuck? What the actual fuck?